Halo guys.
Det, aku ada masalah, Det. Masalah apa? Coba masalah duit. Masalah duit ya podo. Yo cedek. THR urung mebu. Podo aku yang tadi transferan. Aku duit ngono wis gak aku akeh duit gak butuh.
Sombong amat.
Ya terus. Iku masalah setan, masalah duit sih iso ditatangani kan. Masalah aku iso ngaji, tapi lek masalah sing siji loro iki gak iso kok. Masalah apa? Sing pertama koyo masalah rondo, terus masalah bojone wong, iku sing bingung aku.
Walking to a crowded room, everybody staring. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Oh, you see what you want to see, but you don't even know me. What did I do now? What did I do now? I'm walking to a crowded room.